You gotta make me lose my cool.
I tried so hard.
What you really want? What you really want?
Yo, what up to Sarnabam, syempre. Sa lahat po ng mga taga-Dagupan, ayan, makikita nyo na naman ako dyan sa December 30. Diyan po sa may Dalton Army Brotherhood Central, Pangasinan. Happy 3rd founding anniversary. Syempre, dapat batiin natin tong mababait ng mayor ng Dagupan City, Mayor Belen Fernandez, at ang founder ng Dalton Army Brotherhood, Cesar Zarate, at ang president ng Dalton Army Brotherhood, Jeffrey J. Dumantay. Syempre, binabati ko din si Boss J. R. Canabe, Boss Randy Canabe, Boss Clinton Rosario, Madam Secretary Ami Algizola, at binabati ko yung mabait na barkad si Kuya Efren Kayabyab, at si Migs, ayan, at si Elton Patron, at si John Mark. Syempre, huwag nyo kakalimutan ang aking wingman, na pinaka-the best na wingman ko, si BC Blade.
What you really want?
It doesn't even